Hello everyone and welcome to English Valley Cafe. My name is Anne. If you are new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about since, for, and until as a preposition to talk about time. Now, in conversations, we use these words all the time when we are talking about maybe the duration of a time, or maybe something that's going to happen later, or maybe it already happened in the past, and it gets very confusing which prepositions to use. So let's talk about it today. All right, let's start with the easy one here, for. So when we use for, we are talking about the duration of time, how long something is. So for example, we've lived here for 5 years. I've been studying for 2 days straight. Straight here means that 2 consecutive days, okay, without skipping a day. So 2 days straight. May and Jason have been together for 2 years. Okay, so as you can see here in these sentences, we are using for to talk about a period of time, like how long it is. If I asked you, how long have you lived in your country? You might say, for 10 years, for my entire life. Now let's take a look at until. Okay, for example, I won't get there until 5. And 5 here means like time, 5 o'clock. I can't go out until I finish teaching. She won't be back in the office until Monday. Okay, so in these sentences here, we are talking about something an event that's going to take place, that's going to happen sometime into the future. So we have a specific time into the future. So this thing is not going to happen until a specific time in the future. So in the first sentence, I won't get there until 5. That means that I will be at the place, not 4 o'clock, not 3 o'clock. I'll be there at 5, starting at 5 o'clock. Okay. I can't go out until I finish teaching. That means that I'm teaching right now. So I cannot go out until I finish here teaching. She won't be back in the office until Monday. So today is Friday and she won't be back until Monday. That means that Saturday, Sunday, she's not going to be in the office until Monday. So starting Monday, she'll be at the office. All right, moving on to since. So here we are going to talk about something that has already started. We're going to go back in time, something that started already in the past. We're going to talk about the starting point of something that already happened in the past. So example, Jada has been with the company since 2017. So has been with the company means that she has been working with the company. Okay, and we say has been with the company. So we are basically going back in time to talk about the starting point or the starting time of an event, of something that happened. Okay, let's do a little practice here. Take a look at this sentence. My plane was delayed. I've been here 3 o'clock. Is it for, until, or since? Okay, take a few seconds to see if you can fill in the blank. All right, the second sentence, I have a class tonight. I won't be home after dinner. Is it for, until, or since? Okay, how about the next one? We're the best coffee shop in town. We've been serving the community 5 years. Okay, take a few seconds and see if you can answer these 3 questions. All right, and here are the answers. So my plane was delayed. I've been here since 3 o'clock. Okay, so we're going back in time to talk about when something first started. So we're going to use since. Did you get it right? 2 thumbs up if you did. Excellent. All right. I have a class tonight. I won't be home until after dinner. Okay, so again, we're going to go to the future. We're going to talk about when something will happen. So because there's a class tonight, so I won't be home until after dinner. So after dinner, I'll be home. Okay, after dinner, I'll be home. But before dinner, I will not be home because I have a class. The next one, we're the best coffee shop in town. We've been serving the community for 5 years. All right, so again, here we're talking about the duration of time, how long we've been serving the community for 5 years. All right, how did you do with the questions? I hope you got them all correct. If you did, congratulations. If you didn't, don't worry about it. Keep practicing. I always recommend students to listen a lot, to read a lot, trying to use these prepositions when you are speaking. And this is the best way to learn these different prepositions because there are too many rules and you really cannot memorize all of them, okay? And it's not the best way to memorize all these rules. So internalize these grammar rules and by listening and reading. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so or if you are new here, and make sure you tap on the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you next week or maybe in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.